Okay guys, the thunderstorm's coming, so I'm moving fast. I gathered some poles, just dead trees. I broke by hand, wove it into a little bit of a basket. That log on the bottom was there. I dragged another log, put it on the top, make a sort of wall on that side. Gathered some rocks for a fireplace. Gathered a big heap of birch bark from dead fallen trees, and I got some debris. Okay, let's make shelter. So the pieces of birch bark, big shingles. There we go. When the thunderstorm comes, I don't want the birch bark to blow off. So I'll hold it down with debris. I put down some more birch bark. Those are smaller pieces, not really that great for the roof. Makes a good floor. They are waterproof, so that's my choice for a ground cover. I gotta build this fireplace, get the fire going. The rain's almost here. So I'm thinking the shelter's done. I'm only planning on being here one night, so it doesn't have to be a mansion. That's the little lean-to. There's enough room in here for me. It's difficult to film though. A little bit cramped as far as the camera. Starting to get a few bubbles. Cheers. The sun's starting to go down. It's cooling off. It's nice and warm in the shelter though. Took off my outer shirt, I just have a t-shirt on. It's really warm in here. I'm getting ready to hit the hay. Good morning, guys. I'm just enjoying my morning coffee. The rain held off. It was gentle showers early in the evening and got a little bit stronger this morning. Still no downpours, but the birch bark lean-to is working very well. It was so cozy in my little shelter with the fire going that I hated to get up and leave. But the rain's tapered off, and I'm thinking this is my window to hike out. So this is a simple shelter. I think anyone can build it quickly, easily. But if you have any questions, comments, leave them below. God bless you guys. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul.